SciEx is invested in StatusScope or in the IoT technologies because we see it as being the most effective way for us to service and support our customers. We're monitoring the customer system on a real-time basis. As soon as something goes wrong, instantaneously that signal gets sent back to our cloud backbone and then reflected to the customer, so the customer gets an email to let them know that there's been an issue. It also goes to our customer care center, and then they too will reach out directly to the customer to do a little bit of an investigation to try and understand what may have caused that alert. It could have been something that the customer did, and quite often we find that it's just something environmental. So the HVAC system in the customer's lab went down and the customer didn't even know, and we were the first one to let them know that happened.
So SciEx takes security of the customer data as top priority. First of all, we do not collect any of the spectral data, any of the experimental data that the scientist performs, nor any personally identifiable information.
My experience with StatusScope remote monitoring continues to be very positive. When I'm away from the lab, getting alerts of potential problems is crucial, especially when making an important overnight data run. If I receive an acquisition error notification after hours, it allows me to decide if I go into the lab to address the issue. There was another time when I received heatsink errors, and with help from SciEx technical support, I learned that the filters under the mass spec needed to be cleaned. That extremely valuable notification allowed me to avoid the risk of instrument damage, which could have resulted in a prolonged downtime.
With the latest integration, StatusScope remote monitoring service is now accessible via SciEx Now Online, making it your customized dashboard for all of your support needs. Get connected today and start monitoring your instruments from anywhere. Your lab is at your fingertips.